Hello guys, I am presenting data science task of implementation of linear regression CO2 emission Canada. In this task I am predicting CO2 emission based on engine size. For this I am using Google Colabs. So let's start. Here I have inputted pandas numpy libraries for numericals and I have imported matplotlib.plot and seaborn for drawing graphs. Here I have imported warnings to avoid warnings. So here I have, by using pandas, I have taken the data sheet and named it as given data. So let's see what is there inside the given data sheet. So here you can see this much data is given inside our given data sheet. So let's check if there are null columns there in the sheet or not. If we found null values, then we have to fill it, then we need to proceed. So here you can see the in this data we have seen mean, standard deviation and minimum values in each rows. So here I have extracted two columns from the given data sheets. One is engine size and CO2 emission, and I have renamed that for getting the things easier. So let's check what we have got till now. So you can see here we have got this much. So let's visualize the data. Here I have drawn two graphs. One is box plot and second is scatter graph. Okay. From the above graphs, I I came to conclusion that the ratio between engine size is to CO2 emission is 0.8 0.85. So for training and testing purpose, I have imported some modules from sklearn. So here we have started training and testing of our module. Okay, so now I am plotting the graph of testing and training of module. I have plotted the two graphs in this same graph. So so here I am so here what I did, let fix this train test module in our given data sheet. So here we have fit our module. Next I have drawn this regression line. Now here I have drawn regression line which predicts the values according to given input. Here you can see this is our regression line. So here I have predicted some values. Here you can see I have predicted some values. Okay, so here we have done with all test and train of our module. So get uh, let's check our values. Okay, so here you can see, let's check with some values. Okay, I have taken 9.4 engine size. So let's check what CO2 emission we will get. So here we have got 479 grams per kilometer CO2 emission.